Hello everyone, welcome to my class. My name is Pooja Divedi and the new year has started. We are in 2026 and this year is full of many technological innovations as well as technological execution. One of them being the Vande Bharat sleeper train, which is going to revolutionize how India travels. This particular train, which is in the sleeper category now, is going to be inaugurated probably by the 20th of January by the Prime Minister himself. And it is going to connect Assam to West Bengal. And how will it run? What will be the fares? Everything will be discussed in detail. Let's start with the current class, which talks about the Vande Bharat sleeper trains. We all know that the Vande Bharat is actually a semi high speed rail, which is indigenous in nature. So, if we talk about just the features of Vande Bharat, this is important for us to know. Beg your pardon. Features. First feature is that it is indigenous, made in India. This is under the Make in India initiative, beta. Second, it's a semi-high speed rail or semi-high speed train. By the term semi-high speed means that it does touch sometimes 160 km per hour. However, if we remember, then in 2024, the running speed was reduced to 130 kilometers per hour. However, it can touch this speed. In fact, recently we also tested the Vande Bharat at 180 kilometer per hour. However, due to security reasons, maybe this is not an official statement, but due to security reasons, the running speed was a little bit or a tad bit reduced. But talking about the 180 kilometers per hour, we have recently seen that Vande Bharat passed the water ripple test, in which the speed was achieved in such a manner that the water didn't ripple. It was just traveling at such a fast speed that it remained stagnant. Apart from that, if we talk about the Vande Bharat sleeper train, we know that the sleeper train in this category right now is not available, but it will be available from the 20th of January onwards when the Prime Minister will inaugurate it. This particular train will connect, talking about the Vande Bharat train, everything started back in the year 2019. So the Vande Bharat sleeper train currently will connect West Bengal. In West Bengal, we have Howrah to Guwahati. In Assam, the Kamakhya. Okay. Apart from that, this Vande Bharat train will have AC coaches in which you will find first AC, second AC, and third AC. However, the fares are high. It is going to connect these two areas. It will depart in the late evening. Departure will be in the late evening. And arrival will be in the early morning. So if anybody wants to travel under it, you can do so. It is an initiative under the Purvodaya mission. The Purvodaya mission wants to overhaul the northeastern Indian region because it wants to show how connectivity is very important for the development and for tourism as well. So that is why the current ruling government is wanting that. Moving ahead, talking about the Vande Bharat train, it will compose, as I said, 16 coaches. 11 will be 3 AC, 4 will be 2 AC, and first will be 1 will be the 1 AC one. Apart from that, the total passenger capacity is almost 800. That means 823. Third AC is 611. Second AC 188 and first AC is 24. That means these are the number of passengers which can be included. Apart from that, if we talk about the fares are pretty, they're pretty cheap as compared to the air travel. As you see, third AC will cost 2300, second AC will cost around 3,000, and first AC will cost around 3,600. It is, as I told you, significantly cheaper than the airfares. It will cover many districts, 9 districts to be frank: Howrah, Hooghly, Purba Bardhaman and Murshidabad, Malda and Jalpaiguri, Cooch Behar, Kamrup Metropolitan and Bongaigaon of Assam. There are total 10 stops. There are overnight services, late evening departure as I told you, and morning arrival. Moving ahead to the next thing, cuisine and the passenger experience. Passenger experience will be very good, of course. Why? Because I think I have and many of you may have traveled from Vande Bharat and the experience is good. So Guwahati origin train, it will serve the Assam or Assamese cuisine. Kolkata origin train will serve Bengali cuisine. Ergonomic berths will be having improved cushioning. Automatic doors with vestibules for smooth intercoach movement. If somebody wants to move from one coach to another, they can do that as well. And superior suspension, reduced noise, enhanced ride comfort will also be there. Apart from that, if we talk about speed and safety, it is designed to be traveling at maximum 180 km per hour. But we know that for all trains right now, the maximum speed that is allowed, looking at the condition of the infrastructure as well as the climate, the weather, it is 130 km per hour for safety. It has been equipped with Kavach automation. What is Kavach automation? It is train collision avoidance system. Train collision avoidance system, which is known as TCAS. It is a satellite-based networking provision in which if any train has crossed the red signal and there is a need for SOS braking system, the brakes will be put on automatically. That is the Kavach technology. Apart from that, emergency talkback system is there. If you want to talk to the pilot, I mean basically the engine partners or anybody, then you can talk through the mic and they will answer you back. Disinfectant sanitation technology, advanced driver cab and aerodynamic exterior, automation exterior passenger doors will be also provided. Alright, so this is about the Vande Bharat sleeper train. Apart from that, it will have the final high-speed train conducted on the Kota-Nagra section, where it achieved 180 km per hour during trials, and ride stability, oscillation, vibration and braking, everything was experienced. The trial was supervised by the Commissioner of Railway Safety, and CRS is approved mandatory before operation. Trial has been completed by December 30th, 2025. Now, apart from that, the manufacturing for this, there will be 8 Vande Bharat sleeper trains, which will be rolled out in the next or the upcoming 6 months. 12 trains are ready by the end of the year. 12 train sleeper category will be ready by the end of the year. Apart from that, 200 sleeper Vande Bharat trains will be planned over time. There will be key systems such as bogie, propulsion, vehicle control, which will be designed in India, fully make in India initiative this is. Apart from that, the cost per coach will be, per coach I'm talking about, not per train, 8.85 crore, which is cheaper than metro coaches. Apart from that, export potential targeted after achieving perfection by 2029. If it will be there, we will be sending these coaches, exporting these coaches and trains to different countries as well. Apart from that, we are also going to launch our first bullet train by the year 2027. And the symbolic date is 15th of August. This train will travel at 320 kilometers per hour. And we know that it is from the Japanese Shinkansen technology. Japan is very well known for the bullet trains. The first operational section will be from Surat to Bilimora. It should be ready by August 15, 2027, and the entire corridor, which is going to be more than 500 kilometers, will be completely developed by the year 2029. So this was all about the Vande Bharat train. Let's talk about this particular question. With reference to the Vande Bharat trains, consider the following statements. Kavach is an indigenously developed automatic train protection system installed on Vande Bharat trains. Vande Bharat trains are designed for a maximum operational speed of 200 km per hour. Fully sealed gangways in Vande Bharat trains enable free coach passenger movement. You have to tell me in the comment section which one is correct. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for watching this class. Stay connected till the very end so that you can answer this question as well. Bye-bye.